Okay, let's start. Page 95. Let me know if you're in page 95 class. We're going to solve it where it says problem solving application, that part. Exercise number 8 and number 9. Are you in that page 95?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, thank you, Lucia and Camila. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to practice and using a problem solving the equation, multi-step equation. So number 8, let's see, Lucia, help me to read exercise number 8, please.
Maggie has 3 binders with 25 stamps in each binder. She has 5 binders with 24 baseball cards in each binder. If she gives 35 stamps to a friend, how many stamps and cards does she have left?
Excellent. The question is, how many stamps and cards does she have left? Well, in order for us to find the answer of this question, we need to solve some operations. So let's underline, we're going to underline the important information. It says that Maggie has 3 binders. So let's underline the 3 binders with 25 stamps in each binder. But also it says she has 5 binders with 24 baseball cards. So we have stamps, and also Maggie has stamps, and also she has 24 baseball cards in each binder. Now it says if she gives 35 stamps to a friend, so she gives 35 stamps to a friend. This is important information. So let's now solve this operation. We have the 3 binders with 25 stamps. What do you think we're going to do with 3 and 25? Are we going to multiply, add, or subtract? In order to find the answer, we're going to multiply. She has 3 binders of 25. So we want to know the answer of 3 times 25. So let's copy this. This is the equation. Plus, what else? We're going to, it says, has 5 binders with 24 baseball cards. What we're going to do with the 5 and the 24, Paz?
Multiply.
Multiply, that's right, Lucia. We're going to multiply the 5 binders times the 24 baseball cards. Then it says, if she gives 35 stamps to a friend, what we're going to do with this 35? We're going to add or subtract. Look at the word that it says gives. What do you think?
Subtract.
Subtract, that's right. It means that Maggie is going to have less of 35 because she's giving 35 to a friend, somebody else. So we subtract the 35 to know the value of the stamps and cards that she have left of N. That is the equation. That is the equation that we need to solve for. Now, that is the equation. Let's show the work. Let's show the work. I'm going to put here one more time the same information so we can show the work. And we're going to find the answer because we don't have much space here. Now, what we're going to do, class? We're going to solve the multiplications.
The first one is 615.
You have the answer, 600 what?
615.
15, that is the answer. 3 times 25, sorry. Let's multiply. Multiply the answer and let me know if you have the same answer of Lucia. 3 times 25, it's 615. Is it correct?
No,
No. What is the
no.
answer?
Is 75.
75. That's right. The answer is 75. You multiply 3 times 5, that is 15. So you write 5 and you remove 1. 3 times 2, 6, and plus 1, 7. So it's 75. Plus, remember that we copied the plus, 5 times 24. What is the answer of 5 times 24?
$120.
120. Is it correct, class? 120, the answer of 5 times 24.
Sorry?
Ready, see? What is the answer, class? 5 times 24. Is it correct? 120?
Yes, miss, it's 120.
That's right, Fernando. I want to be sure that you're working. Lucia and Fernando says, but what about the rest? Just Lucia and Fernando are participating, telling me that they have this answer or they have something different. All of you have to participate, class. Remember
It's
that
correct.
okay, it's correct. 120 minus, we just copy minus 35. We just copy that because right now we are not working on that. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add and subtract this to find the value of n. So we're going to add 75 plus 120. What is the answer of 75 plus 120?
109.
190?
Yes.
195.
195, that's right. Remember, we add 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 2, 9, and 1 plus 0, 1. Minus, we copied the minus, 35 equal n. Now we just subtract this. What is the answer of this subtraction? 195 minus 35.
$160.
160.
Yes, is correct.
You have
Yes,
the same
it's
Isabella's
160.
answer? Yes, Lucia,
correct.
Isabella, Fernando. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the answer. 160 is a subtraction, is the answer. So that is our answer for exercise number 1. So it says, how many stamps and cards does she have left? So we can say that she has left 106. Just that. We're going to write that in the space. So we know that is 160, the answer of the exercise number 1, because we prepare, we write it down the equation and find the value of n, that is 160. That is the answer. Questions about exercise number 1? No? Okay, let's try number 2 together. Number 2, Camila, help me to read exercise number 9, Camila.
Maddox has 4 boxes with 32 marbles in each box. He has 7 boxes with 18 shells in each box. If he gets 20 marbles from a friend, how many marbles and shells do he have?
Excellent. The question is, how many marbles and shells does he have, this boy? What information we need to underline? The
4
information.
boxes with 32 marbles.
Excellent, Lucia. 4 boxes with 32 marbles. What else we need to underline?
7 boxes with 18 shells.
That's right, the 7 boxes with 18 shells in each box. What else?
20 marbles from a friend.
Okay, it says if he gets, so let's underline, gets 20 marbles from a friend. This information. Now let's write the equation. What we're going to write? 4 boxes with 32. What is that? Addition, subtraction, or multiplication?
Multiplication.
That's right. We multiply 4 times 32 plus the 7 boxes times 18 shells. Now, it says if he gets 20 marbles from a friend, are we going to add or subtract the 20 marbles?
Subtract.
Look at the exercise. No, we are going to add, Gabriela. That's right. 20. Why add? It says if he gets, he's receiving 20. So it means that it's not given to somebody else. It's receiving the 20 marbles. It's going to be an addition. Equal, this is equal to n. And now we're going to find the answer of this. Yes, now let's solve by yourself this. The 4 times 32, you use the other space where it says show your board, plus 7 times 18 plus the 20. Equal n. We're going
128.
is the number 1, 128?
Yes.
28. Let me know if you have the same answer of Fernando. 128.
No, sorry. Yeah, it is 128.
4 times 32.
I have the answer of 7 multiply 18.
Okay, what is the answer, Gabriela?
126.
126. Is it correct? 126? Thank you, Gabriela. Thank you, Fernando. We multiply 4 times 32, 128, plus 7 times 18 is 126, says your classmate, plus 20. We just copied the 20 equal n. Okay, now we add 128 plus 126 plus 20. What is the answer of these additions? Who knows the answer? 128 plus 126 plus 20. Gabriela?
What? I don't listen.
No? I was asking you, who has the answer of this addition? The complete answer of this addition.
274.
74 is the value of n. Thank you, Lucia. 274. Marcela is the same answer that you have. Joshua, Andrea, 274.
Oh,
No,
plus
Gabriela?
20. Plus 20.
Yes, plus 20. Yes, included the 20.
Okay.
The complete answer, 274, is it correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Yes, it's correct. So 274, Joshua, tell me.
No, nothing. Right.
Oh, is the value, that's right, 274. We add 128 plus 126 plus 20. So it means that the answer that our equation, how many marbles
He has
and shells that he have, we say he has 274. 274 marbles, we can say marbles and shells. As you can notice, we find the answer of this problem using equation, using different steps, multiplying, adding, and subtracting. In the number one, we subtract the 35 because it says, if she gives, so pay attention to that, if she gives, it says this word, if she gives 35 stamps to a friend, it's given, but that's why we subtract the 35. But in the second one, it says, if he gets 20 marbles, so it means that he's receiving from a friend 20 marbles. He gets. So that word gets means that we're going to add. That word gives, it means that we're going to subtract. Questions about these two exercises, class? Any question?
No.
No.
No? No? Okay, be ready with your notebook. We're going to solve some exercises in the notebook now. So once you finish, let me know so we can go to next slide.
I will.
Finished? Okay.
I finished.
Okay, thank you, Lucia.
Miss,
Thank you,
in the
Tina.
last exercise,
Okay, of page 95, just this. We're going to finish just on this on page 95. Don't worry about it. The next exercises we're going to solve now in the notebook. Continue practicing. Lucia, tell me.
What is that?
The topic, it's so multi-step problems. Let me show you the presentation. Just want to be sure that you finish. Who is missing? Who is missing to copy this slide? Hermes, did you finish, Hermes? Yes. Santiago Chavez, Santiago Hernandez, did you finish? So remember, when we have some equations of this, we start with multiplication. If you identify the multiplication, it's going to be easier than the rest. Finish, Santiago. Okay, thank you. Marcelo, did you finish, Marcelo? Yes, okay, thank you.
Teacher,
Okay, let's go to the next slide.
teacher,
Tell me, copy this as a topic.
teacher,
Marcelo, tell me, Marcelo.
it's day is a birthday to Isabella.
Sorry?
Each day is a birthday of Isabella.
Isabella's birthday was on the yesterday. Yes, copy this in your notebook.
I finished.
Finished, copy. I'm going to send through the chat also this stuff. Solve multi-step problems using equations.
Teacher, what is multi-step?
Multi-step. So it means that you don't have just one step. You follow 2, 3, or more steps to find the answer. So in these problems, you multiply, you add, and you subtract. So you have multi-step. You have 3 steps to follow to find the answer. Finished? Okay, let's copy here. I'm going to write the topic here. So if you didn't finish, copy from the topic. So you can start writing down this equation and find by yourself. You're going to do it by yourself this. Let's put in practice. Let's practice what you have been practicing yesterday and in the previous slide.
We're going to pull this to school, G.
Maybe.
Okay.
Multiset, that's right.
Have the answer of 4 multiply 27.
Mhm. Solve everything, is Lucia, by
Teacher.
yourself.
Teacher,
Tell me, Marcelo. Tell me, Marcelo.
I don't understand this, pero lo que entiendo es que 4 veces 27.
4 times 27 plus 5 times 24 minus 94. Marcelo, let's work together, Marcelo. The
Miss,
rest,
can I go to my pencil to know?
yes, go, Gabriela. Don't worry. Marcelo, we have 4 times 27. That is a multiplication, right, Marcelo? So we're going to multiply this, Marcelo. It means that you have to find the answer of this multiplication, you need to multiply 4 times 27 to know what is the product of this. And you are going to copy the answer down. You write down plus, the plus sign, you just copy the plus sign. And then it says 5 times 24.
832.
832 is the answer, Marcelo.
I'm not sure, but no is an answer.
No. 4 times 7, Marcelo. What is the answer of 4 times 7, Marcelo? Four times 7, Marcelo.
Is 28.
28, so we write the A and we regroup 2. Now, 4 times 2, Marcelo. 4 times 2.
4 times 2 is 8.
8 plus 2 that you regroup.
Plus 2 is 10.
And is that the answer, Marcelo? 108, the answer of the multiplication?
Yes.
Yes. 108. So you finished to work on number 1. 4 times 27 equal 108. Plus, and you see that we have another multiplication. 5 times 24. So you are going to solve 5 times 24.
It's 10. 5 times 2. 2, 4 is 20.
20. 5 times 4 is 20. So we write a 0 and we regroup the 2. 5 times 2.
Is the 2 in the 10.
10 plus 2.
12.
12.
12.
12. So you know that it's 120, the answer for number 2. Now, what do you have to do? Now you have to copy this minus. You just copy the minus sign. Minus, and you write down also this 24 because right now you are not working on that. So 94 minus 94 equal n.
20.
And now, Marcelo, you are going to do what? You have a new equation now. 108 plus 120 minus 94.
Is 228.
228, the answer of the addition. That's right, 228. Minus, because you copied minus 94 equal n. And you find the answer of this subtraction, right?
100.
Is 134.
134 the answer, Isabella?
No,
No.
no, it's 204.
Sorry, 204.
Do you copy this?
Yes.
Yes, copy this, Santiago. 204 is the answer for the subtraction.
94 menos
No, Miss.
200.
No, you have 228
No.
minus 94. It cannot be
It's
204.
120.
What is the answer? 100 what?
$24.
124 class is the answer. No, it's not 24.
110.
134.
14.
134, that's right, was correct. Isabella's answer, 134, because if
No.
you add 228 minus 34 is 134. You can check this by adding 134 plus 94. So this is the answer. And with this, you're finished. This is the answer. You can circle, you can make a square to know that this is the answer. Yes. Copy the second one. You're going to solve by yourself number 2. For you to practice. Number 2. Finished? Copy number 2. Okay, now, time's over, class. Let's finish here. Show me your notebook that you were copying and working on this exercise. Show me your notebook before you go.
Mom, tell him no finish.
No?
You copy the one.
Yes.
Okay, copy the second one also.
I
Okay.
have 7. I have the answer of 7.
The
Multiply
equation.
to
Copy
8.
the equation.
Okay, let's finish here. Tomorrow, we're going to check the exercise number 2, Lucia. Number 2, tomorrow, we're going to check so you can finish to work that. Bye-bye. See you next class.
Bye.